Holy cow, I don't know why that's going off, but nothing is on, and it's like going crazy. So I'm gonna start the echo right now. Yeah, I don't even have the speakers on yet to make it do that. Is there someone here? Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna start echo. I think my very hello echo? Who's making that noise? Who's touching the K2 meter or EMF meter, sorry. Who's touching the EMF meter? Who's here? That's so weird. Yes. Someone here. Whoa. I don't know. Who's with me? That's so weird. Thank you for doing that. You're doing great. What is your name? Whoa. That's my shadow. You see my bird? Are you by the bird? Can't get over that. So weird. Who's with me? What's your name? Hello? It's still going off. Turn it on. See, it's not even by speaker and it's going crazy. Are you by the, oh, I want to. It was on. How many of you are here? My name's Nicole. Can you see my name? Hello, thank you. Can you do that again? You touch the meter for us. It won't harm you in any way. To let me know you're here. Are you here with me? Thank you. Who are you? What's your name? Can I hear Anna? And my phone is on airplane mode. So I won't interfere with the EMF. That's cool, I think that's that. How many spirits are with us now? What kind of bird do I have? Oh, thank you. You know you're dead? You know what kind of bird I have? You see, she's out now. You want to say hi to my bird? What's my bird's name? You say Sammy? That's right. Can you say hi to Sammy? You hear my bird? Sorry, I'm holding my camera. Can birds see you too? Her bird, yes. Can birds and cats and dogs see you? Alright. Thank you for that. You're doing great. Where do you hear me from? Where you at? I just use my voice and how to block my voice. Thank you, you're doing great. That's awesome. Do you have a message for someone? You want to say hi to someone? You say hi, YouTubers? Say hi to my viewers? Can you say hi to whoever made me watching? Hi, hon. Can you say hi?
Yeah. Oh, did you say I got some meal, huh?
There.
Yeah, I got some meal.
You hear my bird? You hear my bird? Sammy's going crazy. Ah. Say hi here.
Hello, good evening.
It's my husband. Say hi to my husband. What's my husband's name? Let me close the door. Sorry. What's my husband's name? I'm gonna type these. Uh-huh. Nicole, what's up? Is Adam here? You walk with me. I'm gonna try one more session from my iPhone. Where do you hear me from? Where are you at? Heaven or hell? Do you see my bird? What color is my bird? He has 3 colors. I'm gonna go back to A. Who's with me? What's your name? I've got my bird here. She's still here. That was so cool, I debunked that. So I'll turn on the fan and I'll show you what it was doing. See that? So the fan is on. Now, when I turn off the fan, watch. Eva. Hee. Yes. What color is my bird? She has 3 colors. Hey, Sammy. Can you name the color of my bird? She had gray. What else? What other colors is she? Ooh, she got headache. Gray, white, and yellow. I think I heard that. Who's Dale? Did I hear Dale? Where are you from? Who are you? You need help? How old are you, Dale? Who likes to travel? You like to travel? How do spirits travel?
Sounds like
Yay! I'm almost done.
we need to get back on the computer.
I have. See my husband? Say hi if you want. Who's that? You hear my bird? My bird hears himself. You hear my bird? How many birds do I have? That's right, I have one. Close the door, huh? Sorry, I'm closing the door. Okay, yeah, we hear ya. We hear ya. Can you hear my bird? Do you say my bird's name? What's my bird's name? My husband back. You have a message for us? You know my husband? He's here if you'd like to say hi. I got a couple more minutes and then I'll end this session. Unless you want to have something to say here? What's the matter? You hear my birdie yet? Wait, don't turn that on. Alright, thanks for coming through. I'm going to end this session now. Bye. Let's say bye.
Bye.
We'll chat with y'all later. Thank you, Sammy. Her bird's name's Sammy. Alright, bye. Thank you.